I am about to show you how to make the best beef tips ever. Make sure you subscribe. Trust me, you don't want to miss my cooking. I cook just about everything. Good Lord. Come on in here, y'all. Let's make these beef tips. You gotta wash your meat first, people. It's very important that you wash your meat, trust me. And then you're gonna drain it, get all the water off as much as you can. As much as you can. And then you're gonna pet it. You're gonna pet it dry, okay? And then you're gonna start adding your seasonings. This garlic powder I'm going to use. Sprinkle it on there. We're just sprinkling right now. Sprinkle as much as you want on there. Onion powder, sprinkle that on there too. I like McCormick, y'all. I just love that brand, okay? And also Adobo from Goya. I love that stuff too. All-purpose seasoning. It's wonderful on meat and everything else. Vegetables too. Badia, complete seasoning. I love that too as well. I put that stuff on everything. All right, I'm gonna add some salt. I know some people don't like salt. You can add it if you want to or you don't have to. I don't know, but I don't like bland food. We're gonna put some pepper on there. Pepper. I love pepper. You ain't gotta put too much to make it hot. Now we're gonna put some oil on there. I'm gonna put about a cap full of oil on there just to marinate it. Marinate it. You know what I'm talking about, marinate. Then coat it evenly, all over. Mix it good in there. All right. Now we're going to also put some oil. Put about, maybe 1/4 cup of oil into a pot, frying pan, whatever you want to put it in. Skillet, it don't matter. Okay, put all your meat in there. Put it in there. All right. And we're going to brown this, okay, on all sides. We're going to keep flipping it over, okay? Don't burn it. Don't have your eye too high. I almost had mine too high, but I did pretty good. You might want to put it like on medium low. Okay? Now you see it's brown. It's brown. That's the way you want it, like that. You want it just like that. Just like it. Alright, you're going to scoop all that up out of there. Okay? And get ready for the goodness. See all that oil in there? We're not going to leave all that oil in there. Nope. We can't do that. Alright? See what the meat look like? You see? Alright, that's where it should be. Now, I'm going to take this oil. I'm going to pour some of it out, y'all. See that goodness in the bottom? You want to keep that goodness. You really do. Now we're going to add some beef broth or beef stock, whichever one you got, okay? 2 cups. I put 2 cups in there. 2 cups. Not 1, but 2. All right. Got that done. Now we're going to put our meat in. It's going to be so good. And I'm using some Lipton recipes onion soup. Lipton onion soup. How many of y'all use that? I love it. Stir it all around. Stir it around. Stir Charlie around. I'm going to also use some brown gravy from McCormick. It's very good. Any brand would do, I guess, but McCormick is wonderful. You're going to stir that around too. Stir it around. Stir, stir, stir. And I'm going to put some more garlic powder in there, about a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder and some complete seasoning, a 1/2 teaspoon, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, y'all. I know I'm not saying it in order, I know, but y'all get it. Y'all get it, okay? I'm rushing here. And we're going to put 1 bay leaf in there, not 2, but 1 bay leaf. That's good enough, okay? Bay leaf will take over. Stir it around. Then you're going to put your veggies in there, 1/2 onion and a 1/2 bell pepper. I know you said, but you put the onion soup in there. That's okay. That is all right. We still want more flavor, all right? Onion soup is good. We're going to put the top on it. We're going to cook it probably for about 40 to 60 minutes. Stove varies. I do know that. Look at that. You're going to check your liquid every now and then. Make sure you check it. Look at that goodness right there. Take that bay leaf out. You don't want to leave that in. You don't want to leave it in. Look at it. Oh, Lord, look at this goodness. Look at this, y'all. Tastes so good. I put mine over potatoes. You can put it over rice or noodles, whatever you want to put it over. Okay, that's it. This is delicious. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. At the end of this video, make sure you watch my pot roast video. It's amazing, y'all.
Mmm.